How you doing? Yeah. You rolling them? Yeah. Alright, I'm ready. 30s, 30s, yo. 30 as I ever been.
Guess who's back? Fucker, roll that weed up. Engineer, please turn the goddamn beat up. Catch riding tails on your man tuxedo. Yo, I son 100 rappers, but I ain't gon' feed ya. This my new shit, I'm back in business. If you didn't get this, you on my shit list. I'm at your doormat like Jehovah's Witness. With Balboa gloves, ready to go the distance. Fly big up in this, haters are nervous. Thinking I'ma say their little name in my verses. I ain't a maniac, though I'm a man with a purpose. If I shitted on somebody, then they probably deserved it. Bags of that perp shit, OG Kush. Tell your friends about them, yo, but this is shush. This rap game, no more beating around the bush. I'm the new Jesse Jacks, Operation Push. Brand new Nikes on, brand new hat. Fresh out your bitch with a brand new rap. Knock, knock, motherfucker, guess who's back? With some shit for your ass, what the fuck y'all at?
30 as I ever been. 30 as I ever been.
These girls like you're such a fucking asshole, mad cause I'm with the next chicken in 11 minutes flat. Fans give me dap, then I sign an autograph saying thanks for the support, one love and all that. Some cats hang around smoking my cigarettes and stressing me out, asking all sorts of questions. Wanna know the secrets of my magic like Kreskin. Like I'm gonna break down now and start confessing. Here's a question people ask a lot.